If you want to learn how to get views and subscribers fast on your YouTube channel and start making money, then make sure that you watch this whole entire video because I will be talking about a certain tool that helps people rank their videos, get found within the YouTube algorithm, and get more views and more subs and just make more money in total. So make sure that you watch this whole video because I will be giving you all the details. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome to Driven to Success. Today we're going to be talking about how to grow fast on YouTube and start making money. So the tool that we're going to talk about is called Tubebuddy. You might have heard of it before, but this is a tool that you need if you want to grow fast on YouTube because if you want to get found, if you want to make sure that people are actually searching for the things that you title your video, then you definitely need this tool. We're going to talk about how to get views quickly with keyword research and the secret to growth on YouTube. So guys, this tool helps you with advanced keyword research. It tells you how many people are searching for the title that you use. So if you typed in how to grow on YouTube 2020, you can see right here that the amount of people that are searching for it is quite low, but the competition is also quite low. So this might be a good long tail keyword to put in your title. It also tells you so many different things like related keywords to what you have typed in right here. So you can switch up your title based on these related keywords right here and see which score you get, right? So this tool helps you rank higher in these search results, which means that of course you're going to get more views. If you have your video way down, if you have to go 10 pages down into the YouTube world in order to get your video found, then you're not going to get views. But if your video is ranking really high, then you're going to get more clicks to your video, which means that you're going to grow even faster. So this tool helps you get more views and more subscribers. And guys, so many people are using this app, but many people also aren't this tool. Many people also aren't using it. So if you do start using it, you'll have a huge advantage over people that just throw their video out there and just hope for the best. You'll be actually making sure that you're using the correct words in your description. Your thumbnails are also going to be on point because this tool gives you so many different tips on which thumbnails to use and which it helps you to make sure that you're not doing trial and error, right? Because it has all the statistics and all the stats. So you just want to make sure that you're doing all of these things. So let's look at some of the features that it has. It has something called video SEO. So it helps you to use the right words within your description. Let's see right here, it has something called the Keyword Explorer. Now this right here is the most important part, I think, of the tool, because when you're making your video, you want to make sure, again, that people are truly searching for the title that you put in your video. So right here you can see that this search term San Diego surfing has a medium search volume, so the competition right here is pretty high, and you can see the number of total searches. So it gives you all the different statistics you can use to make sure that you're not wasting time with the video. So let's go into the pricing, guys. I have a link down in the description below, so if you want to sign up for the tool, you can go ahead. So the first plan is called the Pro, and you pay $9 per month. You can access most of the productivity and video optimization tools with this plan. You only pay $9 a month. With this one right here, of course, we're going over to the next level, and it has more. It has way more features within this plan, and you pay $19 a month. So the ultimate in time saving with bulk processing tools. So if you want to save time while when you're uploading your videos, you can use this plan right here. And of course, if you want everything with all the features, all the functionalities, you can use this plan right here. It's $49 per month. Guys, I think this is extremely worth it. Guys, if you use the free version, there's also a free version, but it doesn't come with all the excellent features that the paid ones come with. So I suggest going with either the Pro or the Star. Of course, the Legend might be a little bit too much, but many people use the Pro. So guys, this, if you go ahead with the Star, it even tells you that you know, your video might be flagged for demonetization and different things like that. It has so many features like bulk delete cards, bulk copy end screen, view and copy video tags. So you can copy tags. Of course, this also comes with the free version. You can copy tags. You can use the SEO Studio, search rankings. Guys, there are so many different features within this tool. I'm telling you that so many people are using this and just blowing up their YouTube channels really fast. I mean, of course, you want to make sure that you're doing this over and over again in order to let the YouTube algorithm learn your channel and get found within the algorithm. But guys, this is an extremely useful tool because you're not wasting time and you're making sure that everything is optimized on your videos. So yeah, I think it's an excellent tool. And guys, the secret to growth on YouTube is doing all these things, making sure that you have optimized titles. So let's go over to the homepage of this site. You have optimized titles, your tags and your description is excellent. You want to make sure that all these things are in line. You want to make sure that your thumbnail is good. This tool gives you tips on if your thumbnail is good or not. Like it gives you thumbnails that are working and thumbnails that people are going to click on, because you want people to click on your video, because once YouTube sees that people are clicking on it, people are watching your video, it's getting found, then it gets higher within the search results, right? You want to make sure that you get found, and the more views that your video gets, of course, the more people that watch your video. So again, you want to make sure that all of these things come together in order to allow your channel to blow up. Now, the secret to doing this is to make sure that you do this on every single video. You want to make sure that every video is completely optimized. You do research on your video, you make sure that it's completely optimized, and then doing that, you'll definitely get more views and subscribers. So guys, I'm telling you, just make sure that you download this tool. The link again is in my description down below. You can sign up for this for the tool, and you know, it's not that expensive. I mean, I use it. I would definitely pay a little price just to make sure that my videos are being found and I'm getting views to my videos, because you don't want to put in so much work and effort into a video and not get it found, right? You want people to find your video. You want people to find your channel. So the more videos you do this on, the more people are going to find your videos, the more views you're going to get in total, the more subscribers you're going to get, and before you know it, your channel is going to blow up. So guys, make sure that you take advantage of this. And thank you so much for watching. I hope there's nothing else I wanted to say. Again, you can use, we're going to go back to the features, the video SEO. Right here, give me a sec, guys. So it has a search rank tracker, right? So it kind of tells you which how your video is ranking in the search results. So it tells you if your video is second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth, you know, for each keyword that you put in your tags or in your description. So it's really useful in that way. Guys, there are so many ways that you could use this. The opportunities and the ways you could use this are endless, right? But my favorite, by all means, is the Keyword Explorer, because it gives you so many ways that you can improve your title. You can improve the if it's a long tail keyword, it shows you how many people are actually searching for that that title, those words. And guys, you want to make sure that it's being searched a lot within, especially if you're a smaller channel. You want to get found. You want the chances of being found to be huge, right? So there's something called the Opportunity Finder. So it gives you suggestions based on your performance and your analytics for channel growth on your video, right? So it just gives you suggested tags, and I think this feature only comes with the paid option, so it's a really useful thing to have, definitely. Guys, this is one of the best tools that I've seen, and guys, so many people are using it. You can see right here that if you go to the main page, Daryl Eves is using it. He said it completely transformed the way he manages his videos. Even Family Feud uses it, right? Matt Santoro uses it. He says it's super helpful. So guys, this is definitely a tool that you need. Again, the link is in the description below. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more ways to blow up your YouTube channel and make money. And smash that like button. And thank you so much for watching. We will catch you in the next one.